Hello guys, welcome to another video of this do-it-yourselfer channel. Today I'm gonna be repairing this extension cord. It's been bitten real bad for my dog, and so I don't know, there's quite a few ways to fix them, and quite a few ways to do the repairs. So this is my way that I'm gonna do it, and the first thing I'm gonna do is just cut all the messed up pieces. All this is not good enough. Okay, that's one and two. All right, so the next thing I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna peel off quite a bit of both sides, because I'm gonna use wire nuts, but I don't want the wire nuts, all of them on one piece, like all together. I want one in here, another one right here, another one right there, so that way it don't make a big thick extension. So yeah, I'm gonna use the dikes to cut it. You can use a knife or whatever, but well, this is what I'm using right now. Change my mind. Sorry. A hunting knife will be good on this, but I don't have one right now. Okay, so once you have about this much, you can cut it with your hands. You know, leave a good I don't know, about 2 inches, 3 inches on both sides. And we're gonna cut it. Okay, so we're good on this. I'm gonna do the same thing on that side. Okay, I'm gonna be off camera a little bit. I need to put it on the table and cut a little bit with my knife. Once I cut a little piece, I can continue with the dikes. And once it's cut, you can grab the wires and pull the covering. I have to cut a little bit more. Okay. All right. So I'm I'm gonna try with that. All right. Okay. So the idea is to have one wire nut in here, like I told you, another one like right in the middle, and another one back over here. So that way they're not all together right there. Okay. So I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna use the white first. So I'm gonna cut it around here. And I'm gonna peel it off. And also the white. Okay. And I'm gonna put it together. And I'm gonna use an orange wire nut. Okay. The way the wire nuts work is that you put the wires together like this, and then you put the wire nut. You don't have to twist the wires because the wire nut does the twisting. Okay, so we got one done, and this is what I'm talking about. This is gonna be like this. All right, so the next one will be right in here. So I'm gonna cut this wire somewhere around here. Peel it. Okay. I'm gonna put the this is more or less how I want this to be, like that. So I'm gonna cut it right here. And peel it. Alright, and get a wire nut. Put them together. Get a wire nut. The wire nut will do the twisting. And last is the black one. And I also want it right here, so I'm gonna have to peel a little bit more. We're gonna cover all that with electrical tape. Buy a good electrical tape. Don't buy one at the dollar store. So this is how it's gonna be. So I'm gonna peel. This is how it's gonna be. I'm sorry again, I went off on the black one. So I'm gonna peel it off. wire knot right here. Twist it. So now we can all bend like that. And once we put the electrical tape, well, this is not gonna be like a big ball right there. And I'll be right back. I'm gonna put the wire electrical tape. So I got this electrical tape. It's commercial grade. You need a good one for this. Okay, don't buy just one. A cheap, like I mentioned it before. Again, this is like that. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna put a little bit of tiny wait a minute. Oh, man. Yeah, this is do there. So I'm gonna put just a little bit on each one of the ends right here, on each end, just a little bit. That's just in case one of the wires wants to come off. And
aquí. A ver si puedes venir ahorita 27.
¿Quién? ¿Yo?
Hugo.
Ah, ok. Sí, hago para allá. So, I'm just putting a little bit of each end, alright? Just a little tiny. That's just to keep the wire nuts in place. And it's time for me to cover everything, okay? Be generous, don't worry about spending, and this is, the best it's gonna get. It's a little bit thick, but not as thick if you have all the wire nuts together. And usually I want to go like 2 or 3 times around to protect the wires and the outside. Okay. One more time. And bingo, we got a pretty strong extension cord, and it's back to life again. You don't have to buy another one. Alright guys, thank you for watching this small video. Hope you liked it.